as I have started the chapter natural resources, first of all, we should know about the natural resources, what they actually are. So, what are natural resources? These are the living and non-living component of the biosphere, component of the nature, which are being used by the human to meet their requirements. Is that clear? Since these natural resources are obtained from the earth, therefore these natural resources are also known as earth resources. Natural resources are also known as earth resources. And type of these natural resources, so depending upon the availability, depending upon the abundance, how many they are, how much they are, and depending upon the use of the human. Okay, these resources are of two types: inexhaustible and exhaustible. Now I'm taking the first category, that is inexhaustible. Inexhaustible natural resources. These are those natural resources which are occur in nature in abundance, lot of, are not going to exhaust it. They will be with us forever, whether we are using continue or not. They are not exhausting by continue use. For example, sunlight, solar energy, air, unexhaustible. For example, water, but water is up to a limit. Now it may consider as exhaustible because we are exploit. We are using indiscriminate way. So the water will also be proved to be exhaustible natural resource. The second one is exhaustible resources, exhaustible natural resources. These are the natural resources which are limited in nature. Limited availability for the human being because they are likely to get exhausted by continued use of those. Okay? So, and these exhaustible resources are also of two types. First one, renewable resources, and second one, non-renewable resources. Renewable resources which get replenished regularly. They are forming continuously. Regularly they are forming in nature. Means if we are using the resources, then they are again produced, replenished. So they are renewable sources. For example, forest. If we cut the forest will produce again. For example, wildlife. For example, soil. These all are the renewable natural resources. They can last forever if they are not used beyond their renewability. The second one, the next category is non-renewable resources. They are exhaustible. These resources cannot be replenished. For example, fossil fuel, coal, petroleum, for example, minerals in the earth. If we are using these fossil fuel and mineral continuously, they will not be replenished again. And the earth will be devoid of them. So, the sustainable use of these resources is must. Are you getting me, students?